Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be triggering a Power Automate flow from Power Apps. So let's get started. But first, we need to make sure that the modern controls are enabled for it. Now in this, we will first add a header. We adjust it, change the name. So I will set it as message sending app. This will be in quotes. Now we change the logo. This looks good. Now in this, what we will do is we will have the subject and body for the email. So here I will have a text input where I will input my subject and a text beside it. It says body, but I think first we should have the subject. Now let me align it center, middle, increase the font size. 30 looks better. Now we add the same input box for a body, and let me change its name. It should be subject and it should be multi-line. Now we add the text for this body. Let me just copy it. Change the text to body, and we change this as well. This should be text body. This should be text subject. This is just a naming convention that we should follow, but main is changing the value for these. So here I will put val subject and val body value basically. Now we add a button. Let me increase the size. Change the text. Trigger the email. Let me change the size of the text. This looks better. Let me change it to semi-bold and save it. Now we add the Power Automate feature to it. We click on the dots and here we land. Now click on create your workflow. Create from blank. Let me name it. Otherwise, it will create a lot of confusion for us. So this step is important. Add a new step like sending an email. I'm using a Gmail over here because I've already added my Gmail connector. Send email. Now from the Power Apps we will get an input which will be the subject and body. Here we set default value because if we have to test it from here, we can do it straight away because this input is getting from the Power Apps. We can have this as dynamic as well, but for now I am using my email ID. Here, since we are getting two inputs, we will rename them. This should be subject because first we get the subject, then body. Now in this, we use the dynamic content, text subject, and here text body. Now we save it. It has been refreshed now, and in the advance of the button we will change the on select property. Here we will call the flow and use the run function. So in this we will be passing the subject and the body because it is expecting two values. So it's giving an error because it should be dot value. Perfect. Now we save this and we run this. So we will enter these values and click on the button. So let the subject be, this is a test. Hello, this is a test. Regards, Lavisha. Even when we are giving the space, it will not show it as the same. It will print it in a single line. Now I've clicked on the button trigger the mail. Let me show you how the email looks like. Great, so this was my subject and this was my body. That is all for today. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.